How did the 1990 for Crime bill address violence against women? Have you ever wondered how legislation can shape the safety and rights of individuals? The Violent Crime Control and Law Enforcement Act of 1994, often called the 1990 for Crime Bill, made significant strides in addressing violence against women. This bill included the Violence Against Women Act, which was a landmark effort to combat gender-based violence. This act established new federal penalties for crimes like domestic violence, sexual assault, and stalking. It also created enforcement mechanisms aimed at improving legal protections for victims. The goal was to ensure that those who commit these crimes face serious consequences. Another important aspect of the bill was the civil rights for women subtitle. This section declared that everyone has the right to live free from violence motivated by gender. It allowed victims to seek civil remedies, meaning they could pursue compensatory and punitive damages against their attackers. This provision aimed to hold offenders accountable beyond just criminal prosecution. Privacy protections were also a key focus. The bill urged law enforcement and media to respect the identities of rape victims. By not disclosing their names without consent, the hope was to encourage more victims to come forward and report these crimes without fear of additional trauma. Training for judges and court personnel was another vital component. The bill authorized grants for educational programs to help judges and court staff handle cases of sexual assault and domestic violence more effectively. This training was designed to ensure that the justice system responded fairly to these sensitive cases. Additionally, the bill strengthened the enforcement of protection orders. It made it a crime to cross state lines to commit violence against an intimate partner or to violate a protection order. This measure aimed to close loopholes that offenders might exploit by moving between states. From a Republican viewpoint, these provisions represented a balanced approach that enhanced public safety while respecting individual rights. The bill supported law enforcement efforts to combat violent crime, including violence against women, while also promoting respect for due process. Overall, the 1990 for Crime Bill created stronger legal tools and improved protections for victims. It aimed to enhance the capacity of the justice system to handle gender-based violence effectively. These measures contributed to a safer society and reinforced the importance of law and order in protecting all individuals.